Hello everyone, how are you? Well, as you can see, today we are here by the Teide. Today we are in Las Cañadas. This is where we are at the moment. We just started the route from here, from this hotel. It's a Parador. It is something like a hotels company, belongs the government, and normally they are located in a very good places like here. So we just started there, and today we are going to do a loop path, a loop route. So yeah, wonderful. As you see there, Teide. We are in April, so I have to say that it was a little bit cold when I started, like 6 degrees, but now with the movement it's just getting warm. Today we don't have much going up or going down, but here we are already quite high. Where we started, it was 2,200 meters high already. So all this area is considering already like a high mountain area. So if you come in here, okay, so we go this way. So here it depends when you come in the year. It could be quite really cold. I guess last night it was under 0, because as I told you, it was 6 degrees. And well, also here where is shade, it's much more colder than where you can feel the sun, but it's nice anyway to take a walk. I was saying that the path today is almost flat. There is El Parador, where we started from, but we passed already over there, and here 2 small ramps. Okay, so it's not flat, but it's not very steep today. So let's keep going. Well, we've been walking already for 3.4 kilometers, and here now there is like a crossroad, so we are going to follow this way. We are going to go left. Okay, we are going to follow X16. Chan chan chan, and here finally we are starting to see the hidden Sanatorium of Teide. First of all, let me just apologize because my English wasn't perfect, and now it's even rusty because I haven't been talking English for a long time, so I hope you can understand everything. So here, since the end of the 19th century, this area of Las Cañadas del Teide was recommended by doctors from all over Europe for the treatments of lung diseases. Due to the climatic conditions, a nice temperature, dry and clean air, it was an ideal location for, as we say, the treatment of diseases such as tuberculosis, bronchitis, pneumonia. So doctors recommend to sick people spending here seasons from spring to early fall. first, the patients themselves built small shelters with what they could, mostly with the sticks and stones that they found in the area. These first initial shelters were given the name in Spanish of the Casetas de los Alemanes, or German tents in English. Later on in the 20th century, in the 30s and 40s, there was a serious attempt to make a sanatorium, and this is what we are seeing now. And we say attempt because it was never ended. What we are seeing was the beginning of the works, but they were never finished. And later, in 1954, the declaration of National Park ended any possibility of continuing the works. Guys, this is a super special and very beautiful route, and we wanted to show it to you before it was too late. You see here that is covered with bricks. All around here you can see the bricks. So well, we were saying before it was too late, and this is because it seems to be that it was published in the newspaper a few months ago that the government will demolish all these buildings. Whoever has the opportunity to come and do the route shouldn't take long if they want to see the sanatorium. We wanted to bring you here and leave these images, and well, for those who had already been, so that they could see it again, and who had not, so that they had the opportunity to know it through the images. Well, my friends, I don't know what you think. Leave it at the end in the comment box and tell us what you think about the demolition issue. Well, as you can see here, we are now very close to Teide. So there is the cable car station. If you take the cable car, it's taking you up to here, quite near the top. So if you want to get the peak, if you want to get the top of Mount Teide, it's necessary to have a special pass from National Park. I will try to put in the description at the bottom of the video all the information. So we were coming over here and now we just turn left. We've been walking already around 8.2, 8.3 kilometers. Well, it's a little bit windy to here. I don't know if you can hear me clearly, but we are very near from Teide, cable car station, the Teide. And here it is like a huge caldera or like a huge circus or lava. There is the Parador hotel where we started this morning. There is where we are going to finish. And there are a few famous stones here, famous rocks. They used to be in the 1,000 pesetas banknote. They were quite popular. So in this moment here, this is the very highest point today, and windy as well. Okay, so we continue. Let's go, guys. And over here we just follow the path. Is taking us back to our origin point. Okay guys, we are here at the end. We can see the Teide, the cars over there. The hotel is there as well, Hotel Parador. And I want to thank you if you get this point. Really thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. For me it was a really nice path, a really nice route, and probably one of the last times that we could see the sanatorium. If you enjoy the video, give us a good like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. It's still for free. Okay, so if you haven't done yet, do it. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.